Hello, viewers. Once again, we are here to conduct a mock interview technical round sessions related to IT companies. I hope you will enjoy it. So, let's begin. Good evening, Nivesh.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
Great. So, shall we start, Nivesh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, tell me, Nivesh, what is compaction in database management system?
Compaction. So, compaction is the process of shuffling the memory so that the free space is collected in a large memory chunks to make some space available for the process.
Okay. And when it is used?
It is used for avoiding the external fragmentation.
All right. Why do we use static with main method in Java?
We should always use static with main method because main method is the only method which is invoked before the instantiation of class, and the static method is the only method which can be invoked before the instantiation of the class. So we always use static keyword with the main method.
All right. Can you tell me where all can we access the protected members?
Okay. Protected members, all the classes in the same package can access it, and all the subclasses in the different package can access it.
That's right. Okay. Now tell me, what is the need of static initializer block in Java?
Static initializer block.
Yeah.
If we want to execute some code before invoking the main method in Java, then we can simply put that piece of code in the static initializer block so that it can be loaded before the main method and execute the task.
Fine. Do you know about full binary version tree?
Full binary tree.
Full binary tree, yes.
Yes, I know. Full binary tree is an extension of the binary tree in which every node other than the leaf node has exactly two child nodes.
Okay. So, is there any difference between full binary tree and complete binary tree?
Yes, there is a difference between the full binary tree and complete binary
Can you
tree.
explain?
Yes, in full binary tree, as I mentioned earlier, that every node other than the leaf node has exactly two child nodes. But in complete binary tree, all the levels are filled except possible the last one, and all the nodes are filled in as far as possible. So this is the difference between the full binary tree and complete binary tree.
Good. Now define multi-programming in operating system in your terms.
Multi-programming in operating system.
Yeah.
Okay, so multi-programming is basically refers to the ability to execute more than one program on a single processor machine. It is used to overcome the problem of underutilization of CPU and main memory. That's why it is used multi-programming.
Fine. Nivesh, are you aware of joins in database management system?
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware of joins in database management system.
Okay, so you have knowledge of this,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. So now tell me, what do you mean by cross join?
Cross join.
Yeah.
Okay. So cross join is also known as Cartesian product of two relation table. It is a binary operation that performs the Cartesian product of two tables in which each row of one table is combined with all the rows of other table.
All right. So my last question to you is, how many types of queue data structures are there?
There are 5 types of queue data structures. First one is simple queue, or we can say queue. The second
Okay.
one is priority queue, and the third one is circular queue, and the fourth one is input restricted queue, and the last is output restricted queue. These are the 5 types of queue in data structures.
Okay. Yeah, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure
Thank you,
to be
Nivesh.
with you.
Yeah, thank you. Same here, Nivesh.